RUBIES Problem Solving Strategy. Read the problem twice. First read, no writing. Second read, read while you underline and box. Underline important words. Important words give you information you need to solve the problem. Box numbers. Box all numbers. Don't forget to box the word form numbers. Image. Draw a picture to represent the information you underlined and boxed. Estimate. An estimation is a good guess. Estimate what your answer should be near. Solve and check. Solve using the information you gathered. Check your work by explaining your answer in a sentence. Remember to follow, like, and subscribe at Twitter, Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.